like, share, subscribe. Hey guys, it's Chris, and today we are back with another video. So, today I'm going to show you guys how to install your Wacom tablet driver. So, the Wacom tablet driver simply said that it makes the driver configuration and the movement of the cursor much more easier. So, I'm going to show you guys how to install it today. So first of all, you want to go to wacom.com right there, and then all of this will pop up, and maybe some ads will pop up. Okay, consent to cookies, and then you're going to want to go to product, one by Wacom, or according to your own device, and then scroll down to the support section, and then you will go to the support section of Wacom. This is where you can install the driver. So drivers and downloads, I actually already installed it, so we're just gonna go through how you can install it from here. Pen tablets, or according to your devices, select products. So I have the one by Wacom, and then it will just pop up straight away. User manual, warranty, release notes, Mac OS support. I don't think it supports Linux, but I think they will make Linux soon. But yeah, not now maybe. Okay, so once you have installed it, you need to restart your computer and just go to Wacom. Then you have two: tablet properties and desktop center. So if you open a desktop center, you need a Wacom ID, which is basically an ID account for Wacom. So when you start the desktop center, and then you have the Wacom ID, and then devices, and then everything, this will pop up. You have stores. The store, basically accessories. You need to buy accessories or any spare parts, they should be having here. So yep, pen display. This is priced in euro, not in Malaysian ringgit. So yeah, fix that. And then the other one is the setting itself, the tablet properties. So this oh, I forgot. So make sure to connect your device to your computer. Okay, there we go. So this is the settings section for the tablet. So you can see here, you can set up the pen, what does it do, which one clicks, pressure, tip feel, distance. You can map the entire thing if you want the screen to be just monitor one. For example, if you have two monitors, you just want to use the tablet on the first monitor and not expand it to the second monitor. So full the entire screen. If you force proportions, is the ratio from the screen to the tablet will be the same. And tablet area portion, this will pop up, and you can choose where. And then if you want to use this, you can use portion and then define the screen. Yeah, it's basically really simple. And make sure to turn on Windows Ink. Although sometimes when you use the tablet, when you want to type something, for example, choose this, a window will pop up. Yes, this is the Windows Ink. So if you just type here, and there it is. There you go. That's it. So this is the Windows 11 version. Yes, the Wacom tablet properties support Windows 11, but only on the dev channel. So what if I said it like that? Yep. N. Yep, that's N. Yep. Yeah. It doesn't really recognize that good, but yeah, it works. So you can buy the one by Wacom tablet for only 299 ringgit. Yes, I know it's expensive, but trust me, it's gonna be useful when you want, for example, to make a fan art, or you want to easily, point everywhere you want. And it can also be useful to play Osu. Yes, the tablet literally helps you point really fast. And as you can see from my videos, I used the Wacom CTL472 to play the entire game. And yeah, yes, that's it. Yep, this is actually really good. It may take some time to get used to the teleporting cursors. This is not a trackpad, this is a pen tablet. So wherever you point the pen, that's where it will go. And if you have any problems, you can just go to the support center. And oh, there's an update. So I guess that's it. This is the cheapest pen tablet you can get, $2.99. Yep, it's good. So we're just gonna run the update, and there's a lot of updates gonna be soon. And yeah, I'll be making more videos like this, I hope. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.